What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy A53 design confirmed and its leak specifications. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We're on GSM Arena's website and it says Samsung Galaxy A53 design confirmed by leaked official images, and these are the leaked images right here. Now before I talk about this, Samsung Unpacked happened today and they said nothing about the A series. So the A series is most likely going to be delayed and we're probably going to be seeing this device released in March. I'm thinking early or middle March. It says for the most part the A53 looks like the A52 of last year, and it pretty much does. The only difference I would say is it just has this single little camera module right here. There's no other line around this. It also looks a little bit more oval than squared on the back of it, and it looks like a little bit more protruding, to be quite honest, so it looks like it sticks out a little bit more. It says you get a 6.5-inch FHD plus AMOLED up front, complete with the same 120Hz refresh rate and centered punch hole cutout for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. It says Samsung will still use plastic on the frame and back, and the dimensions are expected to remain identical to those on the A52. So honestly, as far as that goes, nothing has really changed. I'm glad we get to see 120 Hertz again. I was pretty sure we were going to see that. Same AMOLED display. It also says the back still houses a quad camera setup with a 64 megapixel main cam and 12 megapixel ultra wide modules and two 5 megapixel modules for macro shots and depth data. It says the only minor design difference is that the camera island on the new model will opt for a more concave curve compared to the squared off look on its predecessor. So that's what I saw right here. It looks like a little bit more rounded. In my opinion, I do think this design change is small, but I think it does look a little bit better. It also says the other more notable new bit will be under the hood, where rumors point to the unannounced Exynos 1200 chipset at the helm. The chip should offer 8 cores in total, with 2 performance ones clocked at 2.4 gigahertz, while the remaining 6 will work at up to 1.8 gigahertz speeds. RAM will come in 6 or 8 gigabyte varieties, while storage will start at 128 gigabytes, so that's nice that we have that for the base model. It says you'll still be able to expand via the onboard micro SD card slot, and in terms of battery, we are expecting a 5000 milliamp cell with support for 25 watt wired charging. And I've actually been hearing some rumors that we are going to be getting a 25 watt charger in the box. Now, honestly, that would be crazy if that actually happens. So I'm really hoping Samsung does come through with that. It also says the baseline is going to be 6 gigs, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and is expected to launch in Europe with a price tag of €460. Now, in the US, this is probably going to be around $499. So I'm thinking they're going to drop at $500. But those are all the specifications. This is pretty much the same phone as the Galaxy A52, to be quite honest. And if you have the A52, I really would not upgrade, but I'm still going to do some videos on this device. Maybe if you guys have the A51 or the A71, this may be a good upgrade, but you guys are going to see in the full review. Yeah, guys, what do you think about the design change? Also, how do you feel about the delayed response from Samsung about not talking about it on Unpacked? I think these devices are going to outsell the S22 easily, so I'm kind of weirded out why Samsung didn't really talk about the A series, at least for a few minutes. But let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Yeah, guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.